Okay, we go to the visual diagnosis inspections for tooth cavities, loose teeth, grinding of teeth. Tooth cavities. From the Chinese perspective, cavities may be caused by damp heat in the stomach channels, by Stomach-Qi and Spleen-Qi deficiency, and by the kidney deficiency. Damp heat in the stomach and spleen. Tooth cavities, especially in the lower teeth, bleeding gums, red lips, thirst with no desire to drink, sticky taste, a feeling of fullness, and pain of epigastrium and lower abdomen. Poor appetite, a feeling of heaviness, nausea, loose stools with offensive odor, a feeling of heat, dull yellow complexions, red tongue with sticky yellow coating, and slippery rapid falls. So we got the stomach and spleen-Qi deficiency. Tooth cavities, loose teeth, poor appetite, slight abdominal distensions after eating, tiredness, lassitude, pale complexions, weakness of the limbs, loose stool, uncomfortable feeling in the epigastrium, lack of taste, sensations. You will notice tank is filled and the false is empty. Damp heat in the large intestine. Tooth cavities, especially on the upper teeth, thirst with no desire to drink, mouth ulcer, abdominal pain that is not relieved by a bowel movement, diarrhea, mucus, and blood in stool, offensive odors of stools, burning in the anus, scanty dark urine, fever, sweating that does not decrease the fever, a feeling of heat, a feeling of heaviness of the body and limbs. You will notice the red tongue with sticky yellow coating, and the pulse is slippery rapid. Now we go to the kidney deficiency, tooth cavities, loose teeth, lower back ache, dizziness, tendinitis, weakness, knees, other symptoms and signs, including those of the falls and tongue, depend on whether there is a kidney yin or kidney yang deficiency. So we go to loose teeth. Again, from the Chinese perspective, teeth may become loose either from heat or empty heat of the stomach and or large intestine or from a kidney deficiency, which may be of yin or yang. Stomach heat and empty heat of the spleen or kidneys may all cause loose teeth. Go to stomach heat. Loose teeth, toothache, mouth ulcer, thirst, foul breath, burning epigastric pain, sour, regurgitations, nausea, excessive hunger, a feeling of heat, red tongue with a yellow coating, and the pulse is overflowing rapid. We go to the kidney deficiency. Loose teeth, lower back ache, dizziness, tinnitus, tiredness, pulse weaks on both rear positions. Other symptoms and signs depends on whether there is a kidney yang or kidney yin deficiency. Spleen yin deficiency with empty heat. Loose teeth, toothache, red cheeks, poor appetite, poor digestions, retching, gowning, hunger, loss of taste, slight epigastric pain, dry mouth and lips, dry stools, thin body, sallow complexions with red tip of the nose, night sweating, a feeling of heat in the evening, red tongue without coating, and transversal cracks on the side, floating empty and rapid falls. kidney yin deficiency with empty heat, loose teeth, dizziness, tinnitus, vertigo, poor memory, hardness of hearing, night sweating, dry mouth at night, 5 palm heat, a feeling of heat in the evening, Muller flush, menopausal hot flushes, thirst with the desires to see fluids, lower back ache, ache in bones, nocturnal emissions with dreams, constipations, dark scanty urine, infertility, premature ejaculations, tiredness, depressions, anxiety, insomnia, excessive menstrual bleeding. Red tongue without coating, and the falls is floating empty and rapid. Grinding of the teeth, liver chi invading the spleen. Grinding of the teeth when tense, irritability, abdominal distensions and pain, alternations of constipations and diarrhea, stool sometimes dry and bitty, small pieces, and sometimes loose, flatulence, tiredness, tongue normal colored or slightly red on the sides, false eels, wiry on the left and weak on the right. Let's go to stomach and heart fire. Grinding of the teeth, bleeding gums, burning gastric pain, in, intense thirst with the desires to drink, cold liquid, mental restlessness, dry mouth ulcer, bleeding gums, dry stools, sour regurgitations, full breath, nausea, vomiting soon after eating, a feeling of heat, sour regurgitations, palpitations, insomnia, dream disturb, sleep, feeling of heat, red face, bitter taste. And the tank is red with a thick, dry, dark yellow coating. And the falls is deep, full, rapid. Retentions of food. Grinding of the teeth in children, fullness pain, and detentions of the epigastrium that are relieved by vomiting, nausea, vomiting of sour fluid, full breath, sour regurgitations, belching, insomnia, loose stools or constipations, poor appetite, thick tongue coating, and full slippery and false. Deficiency of qi and blood. Weak grinding of the teeth, poor appetite, loose stools, weak voice, tiredness, blurred visions, dizziness, numbness or tingling of limbs, palpitations, dull pale complexions, and the tongue is pale. You will notice the pulse is weak or choppy. Internal empty wind, grinding of the teeth, dizziness, headache, tics, fine tremors, tiredness, blurred visions, poor memory, fine and slightly wiry falls. The tongue may be pale or red without coating, depending on the whether there is an underlying blood or yin deficiency. Invasion of external wind, grinding of the teeth, shivering, aversions of cold, fever, stiff neck, occipital headache, body ache, floating falls. Thank you for listening.